Hive Investments is a Polygon-based DeFi as a service NFT node project. It's pretty insane. Let's hop straight into it. So to start off, let's take a quick look at their Twitter. They have about 37,000 followers. They have been building this project for a while, and it just finally recently released just a couple weeks ago. And as you can tell right away, their pin tweet, this team is Doc, so the CEO and the COO. Best friends in Australia. They have their own NFT marketplace called Hexagon. Right now, only their project and like one or two others are on there right now, but it is pretty cool. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Take a look at the chart. Each HNY token costs $180. Quite expensive. You can see this did launch about $235, so it's not down like that much. Taking a look at the website, it's pretty clean, pretty simple. They have this really cool graphic right here. It talks about how Hive works. So simply mint or purchase an NFT to enjoy some sweet rewards, and the rewards are 0.5 daily yield for a worker NFT, 1% for a guardian, but there's a really small mint chance, and then a queen is 2%. And then if we take a look at the marketplace here, a worker bee, the cheapest that is right now is $1,700. So you're gonna need a little bit of capital to get into this project right now. Floor is 9.5 honey, so that's how it's based. There's 3,700 items, and you can also mint NFTs, but that does cost 10 honey. So to get into this project, you're gonna need about $1,800. That's a little expensive, but an FAQ just talks about the project, what it's on. The team is currently made up of over 20 members. So they have KYC, contract audits, and a robust multi-sig, always a good sign. Tokenomics, there'll be 40,000 Genesis NFTs, and right now we can see there's only 3,700, so there's a long way to go there. It originally started at $100 per honey and 10 honey to mint an NFT, so the original NFTs cost $1,000. The difference between other DeFi as a service protocols is a sustainable reward rate, liquid investment via NFT ownership, and creation of an entire ecosystem around the honey token to maximize utility. And then there's one thing here, because the nodes are NFTs, you can resell them, so you're not losing your initial investment. I mean, whatever you can sell it for then is what you would get your investment back. So I mean, you could sell it for the floor of 9.5, you're not losing that much. Whereas in most node projects, you're losing that right off the bat. So actually looking at the DApp here, you can see how many worker bees are remaining, guardian bees, queen bees. So there's still 35,000 worker bees. And like we saw here, the chance to get a guardian bee or a queen bee is very small, mint chance 1.5 and 0.5% respectively. There are a few queens here out on the marketplace, and they're for sale for an insane amount of money. There's a guardian for 49 honey, and there's not too many of those, so it goes straight to workers. And their white paper is a little bit different than most. It's a PDF. There's a big table of contents, the summary, the strategy, definitions, an introduction, the reliability, the sustainability, how they plan to do that, the transparency, then the team, and the history of sustainability. They really want to be sustainable, and I think that's a big key for a lot of these projects. What they're trying to do is be as sustainable as possible. They don't want to just be a 1 month or 2 month fad. They want to continue to build and grow their project and their community. And then actually there will be an increase in the NFT minting fee. I didn't see this earlier. 10.5 once they get to 8,000, 11, then 11.5, and then 12 for the last 8,000 NFTs. Wow, that is smart though. But here's the tokenomics for all the allocations. Liquidity will be locked for 5 years. Here is where the mint proceeds go and all that good stuff. Treasury investments, a 15% sale tax when a user does sell their honey. There's no tax on compounding, which is really, really nice. And then NFT holders will pay the Queen's tribute of 3 Matic per NFT every 30 days. That's not that much, like $6, but this will provide a steady cash flow for the protocol. 120,000 Matic per month. Failure to pay the Queen's tribute will not result in an exile, but will prevent claiming honey until it has been paid. That's really smart. I like that. Let's talk a little bit about the governance and how that all works, bounty system, fundraising, and then the roadmap right here as well. And that's all there is to it. So it's a pretty simple project, but it's really, really cool. I definitely like what they got going on right here. Can definitely be a sustainable project on the Polygon network. If you guys want to check out another crypto passive income source, watch this video next right here.